Hey y'all, long time no see. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Today has been a long day for me. Today is my dad's birthday. So we went to church, we went out and celebrated. But if you are new here, hi, welcome. Um, Click the subscribe button and come and join us. I don't post that often, but when I do, you know. Anywho, I'm gonna pick me up another goodie today, and I'm going to unbox this so I can put it away because if I don't do it now, I'm gonna be lazy and I'm not gonna do it. So we'll be right back after we run this intro.
I just gotta flex, flex, flex on the lean. I just wanna rap, rap, rap to the beat.
Artlist.io.
Back, back, cause I'm mean. I just gotta go back, I'm a freak.
So we are back. I guess this is Gucci's holiday bag that they're going with now. So I think this is my first, as far as I can remember or think, when it comes to high-end clothes, maybe. My most expensive, I would say for sure, but my first. You going to clean the kitchen? It's a nice garment bag. I'm just trying to figure out how it opens now. So it has like a hood over it type of thing. We're gonna do this in one take because I'm tired. We've been out all day. I went to Macy's to look for some sheets. I thought I'd get ahead of the Thanksgiving rush. That place was already a mess and most of everything was gone. So I found something though. So this is the Gucci vest. I got this from the men's Gucci. Has a hood on it, nice hood. Nice pockets right here. So let's get into it. I'll give you a nice hanger. They should for the price. This is the inside of it, basically. Inside of the hood. Nice. Has room. This is a size 50. just in case y'all wondering. And now I'm gonna attempt to put the hood on for you because y'all know my hair is really thick. So let's get it. This is all of the information that's on the tag. So it is warm. I say if you want to wear this with a hoodie, you would probably have to go up a size. I don't normally wear hoodies or thick sweaters. I'm also stay to like long sleeve, Henleys, t-shirts, things of that nature. We'll try it on and see how it fits with a sweatshirt that I may have in my closet. Let's see. So I'm back. We're gonna try on this t-shirt. This is the most hoodie I got. I'm doing a video. Huh? So it's actually comfortable, even with a hoodie on. Yeah. It's good. I mean, this is not a big bulky hoodie, but if you want to wear layers, it'll still work. So I didn't have to go up in size, but I suggest that you go into the Gucci store to see how the sizes fit on you and what you're looking to do with it. So yeah, this is it. Let me take off this hot hoodie. It's hot. It's hot. Oh, it also has a zipper on the inside right here. You can put like your keys, wallet, and stuff like this. This is men's. Also on here you have to put a hoodie. This is my receipt. Again, just go into your local Gucci store if you have one to try them on for size. This is men's. Not sure if they have this on the women's side or what's the, I think this goes all the way down to in the 40s. So if you're smaller than me, you still would be able to do the vest. It does zip all the way up the neck. I don't think I would want this because it's choking. So I would keep it down some, maybe get a scarf if you're in a colder region. So you pull the little things right here to cinch in the hood if you want to. Again, you could pull this down if you have a scarf. I would have a scarf, so I can't zip this all the way up to my neck. It's too choking like. But nice piece to add to the collection. Peace.